Hey guys, it's Pauline. I have a short little haul here. So I went to Hobby Lobby yesterday because I had saw that there were some people posting that that there is clearances. Now I can't figure out if the clearances are old or if they just haven't come out yet. So I went to Hobby Lobby two times. One of them was like a city that's like 20 minutes away from me. And then one, I went to my city, and this was the closest one to me. So the closest one to me did not have any of the clearances, but they had this. It was half off, and so I am going to use this for my Cricut tools and markers and stuff like that. So I have something like this that I use for my markers and pens and stuff, but I thought this might be neat for um, my Cricut tools, and so it was half off of that. It was in the teacher section. Okay, and then so this is the Hobby Lobby that had the clearance, but this was on a different clearance. It was, I think this was like 90% off. But I picked this up. I thought I've seen these mugs before, but I never did get them. But I thought they were cute, so I picked them up. And then this one, I thought this cute, but I don't know. I just thought that was weird. I mean, I know it's supposed to be her looking down, but it's just kind of weird. So, but I never did get it. But 99 cents I did. And then I have some younger cousins. Might actually like put like make this into a gift cup. But we'll see. All right. And then let's see. I went to Home Goods, but well, let me just get this out the way. I went to Home Goods. This wasn't on sale or anything, but I thought that was neat. So I got that for my lunch. Okay. So back to Hobby Lobby. This wasn't on clearance. It was just on sale. It's half off. I picked this one up because it's metallic and it's let's see, point 0.5. So I want to try that out. And then this was on the teacher's clearance. So it was half off of that. And then I did pick up some clearance at the other Hobby Lobby. They had a lot of their party supplies, but I got this just for any time. And then I got this. This was the only one of these that I saw. I picked that up. And then I thought these would be neat to have just for any time. I didn't have any special project in mind, but I think you can always use those. And I was talking about my Cricut inks, not inks, but markers. So I had some of these before, but I couldn't remember what colors I had and all that kind of stuff. So I just went ahead, since they were that cheap, I just went ahead and bought both of them. Now, they did have the longer ones that you're supposed to like use, not really in your machine. You just use them freehand. They were double ended. They were $5.74, but I didn't pick those up because I can't draw. So, let's see. And then I picked this up. I thought this would be good for any time. And then they did have a ton of dies. These were the only two that I picked up. I picked up this one. What does that say? 324. I really like that one. And then I picked up this one. And then I kept standing there trying to think if I picked this up before. I think I picked up something similar. But either way, I hadn't used it. So anyway, I picked this one up. $2.49. That was not bad at all for that. I've seen other people use it, and it's cute projects, so went ahead and picked it up. All right, and then let's see. This was in the party supply, and so this is just some chalk, but I went ahead and picked that up. Then I went to Home Goods. I was just killing some time. You know what? It's not. That's not Home Goods. This is TJ Maxx. Sorry. I did go to Home Goods, but I don't think I picked anything up. So anyway, I picked this up in TJ Maxx, and so I am not like the biggest Ray Dunn fan. I really honestly don't understand what the appeal is, but I just like that sand. So I went ahead and this color. I love this color. It's so pretty. So I went ahead and picked that up. Let's see. And when I was checking out, I saw that they had this, and so I wanted to try it. I bought some different kinds before. They were supposed to be like sugar free, and they were free of something, free of taste, free of everything. But I am going to try this one. Now this one is definitely not sugar free. It's like for 2 tablespoons you get is 90 calories. So, but I'm going to try this and see if I get a good taste with it. All right, so I got 2 kits. I think I haven't went over this with you guys. I'm just gonna kind of go through it really quick. Oh, there's 3 kits. So this is my stamp kit. I put that in there. I don't think I shared this one before. So, so this was the stamp of the month. Very useful. A lot of little sayings. So, got that. And then this one is my Traveler's Notebook Kit. And I have really got to figure out if I'm done with my commitment. I think I am. And so I had promised myself that when I get through with my commitment, I'm going to cancel it. So I'm going to have to check that out. All right, so this is the washi tape. I had dropped that. Let's see. And then there's some die cuts. I'm not going to go through that. Let's see. This came with it. I already took it out of the packaging and put it in one of my little stamp envelopes. So that's that one. It's kind of cute. And then we got labels. And then we got stickers. It's nice. Nothing to write home about to me. Let's see. And then the Traveler's Notebook. I always think it's interesting. I like that it comes with prompts. I'm trying to flip through here quickly. So I hope everybody is doing great. I know our neighbors to the west, New Orleans, is my heart just goes out to them. We thought that we were going to see damage and stuff over here. We only got the rain. Thank goodness. But every time I watch the news, I'm just heartbroken for my my neighbors over there. All right, and then let's see. This is my stamp of the month. No, this is, I forgot what she even calls this, but this is the lower price little kit that she has, and I am going to keep it going to the end of the year, and if it doesn't pick up, I'm going to cancel this. Now, I thought about canceling this month, but she usually comes out with something really cute for the holidays. Like October, November, December is usually really cute. So if she disappoints me, I'm canceling this in January. Because, I mean, look at that. I don't know. I mean, I get that she's going with a theme. September looks like this, but it's a crappy theme. I'm not happy with this. I mean, it's okay. You know, it's not terrible. But really, I mean, and then it's $15. But I hope it picks up. That's all I gotta say. I mean, I know she's not gonna miss my little $15, but still. All right, so we're going through. Thought I'd go ahead because I had already opened this. So show you what the little cards look like. I mean, it is a lot of value for $15, really. But who cares if it's not cute, you know? But anyway, keeping it moving and try not to be negative. Try not to be negative, Nancy. Now that's cute. I like that one. Trying to be positive. All right. And then we got stickers. And this one is okay. I guess it's the color theme that is just not working for me. But, I mean, it's supposed to be fall, so okay. But it's kind of a boring fall. But anyway, again, try not to be negative. All right, I will talk to you guys later. That is all I had to share. Y'all stay safe. All right, bye.